Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the permanent central government recruitment notification or the vacancies notification. Okay, and here the selection procedure is the direct recruitment. And out of the different positions or the designations, here the two designations are there. For both these two categories, any graduate can apply for this one. But the typing speed must be there. Of course, you can practice within this meanwhile, okay, no problem. And here the salary for this any graduate positions is pay matrix level 4, that is 25,500 to 81,100 rupees per month. Okay, and I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more job notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is the MANAGE, that is National Institute of Agriculture Extension and Management, so autonomous organization of the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare from Hyderabad. So whoever the candidates belongs to agriculture, also for you guys also here the vacancies are there, because I got a lot of comments that regarding the agriculture vacancies guys. So I hope, based upon your comments, I searched and I got this recruitment notification. So anyhow, it is useful for both agriculture department candidates as well as any graduate candidates. Okay, so anyhow, we will check this notification released on August 5th 2021, and here the different positions are there. Okay, Director Agriculture Marketing, Research Associate in Agriculture Extension, Research Associate in Knowledge Management, and a Junior Stenographer and the Assistant Cashier. Okay, out of these 5 different types of post, whatever the 1, 2, 3, that means Director, Research Associate. Okay, these posts requires the agriculture related educational qualification. And coming to the Junior Stenographer and the Assistant Cashier, they don't require the agriculture related background, they just require the any graduation with some typing speed. Anyhow, we will see the clear-cut recruitment educational qualifications also. So here the pay scales you may check down the Group C for both these two, and the number of vacancies also mentioned here, the number of posts as per the caste category wise. And Junior Stenographer and the Assistant Cashier, here under the OBC category 1 vacancies are there, and the last date of application is 30 days from the date of publishing in Employment News. Okay, and coming to the Director Agriculture Marketing, up to 50 years of age, and the essential qualifications PG in Agriculture Marketing, Agribusiness Management, Agriculture Economics, and a PhD in the concerned subject also, and 10 years of experience also. Fine. So here a few more conditions are given, you may check down guys. And the period of probation is 2 years, and the mode of recruitment is direct recruitment or the deputation. Okay, and yeah. Coming to the next one, the name of the post Research Associate, age limit up to 35 years, and the educational qualification first or high, second class master's degree in agriculture extension, and the PhD comes under the desirable, and the period of the probation is 2 years, and the method of recruitment is direct recruitment. And coming to the next, the name of the post is Research Associate Knowledge Management, age limit is 35 years, educational qualification first or high second class master's degree in library and information science or journalism and mass communication. So if you guys belongs to that one, to this department, then you can apply for this post guys, Research Associate, and the period of probation is 2 years, and the method of recruitment is direct recruitment. And coming to the name of the post, that is Junior Stenographer, age limit 18 to 27 years, and the essential qualifications required are bachelor's degree from a recognized university and the speed of 8 words per minute in shorthand in English, and the possession of certificate from the State Board of Technical Education, and the speed of 30 words per minute in the English typing. Okay, and coming to the next one, the desirable qualifications mentioned, and the period of probation is 2 years, and the method of recruitment is direct recruitment. The next one is the name of the post is Assistant Cashier. So age limit is 18 to 27, and educational qualifications, a bachelor's degree from a recognized university and the speed of 30 words per minute in the English typing. Okay, and the few desirable qualifications are mentioned. Period of probation is 2 years and the method of recruitment is direct recruitment. Okay, and coming to the application fee, Group A 1000 rupees, Group B 500 rupees and Group C 300 rupees. So candidates shall be required to pay application fee as detailed below in the form of a DD from any nationalized banks in favor of managed payable at Hyderabad. SC, ST, PWD and women candidates are exempted from the payment of application fee. Such candidates are required to attach valid certificate issued by the competent authority to claim fee exemption, otherwise their application will be rejected. And women candidates may attach the copy of the Aadhaar card. That's enough. Okay, and few general conditions are also mentioned here. Okay, you please check down, guys. So candidates who are applying for more than one post, you have to pay the separate fee here. Okay, and a clear quality photostat self-attested copies of education and technical qualifications, experience, caste certificate, and any relevant certificates must be enclosed with the application for the post of reserved for SC and ST and OBC. Latest proof of community certificate must be enclosed. Okay, and here the written test and the skill test or interview will be there. So coming to the written test, you have to manage, and coming to the skill test means the typing speed they will check. So whoever the candidates applying for the cashier position, so you just practice the typing speed in this meanwhile. Okay, so these are all the details, guys. And the last date for receipt of application with the demand draft from any nationalized bank drawn in favor of managed payable at Hyderabad within 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the employment newspaper to the Deputy Director, Administration, National Institute of Agricultural Extension Management, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. Okay, so the address is given here. So 30 days, within 30 days means this notification released on August 5th, guys. So within 30 days means still some more time is there. So please utilize this opportunity, whoever the candidates belongs to these departments. Okay, and please share this video and subscribe the channel to get the more videos like this. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows from Unacademy side. Okay, so if you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1, as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.